XRP has attracted $155.29 million in inflows since the start of the week, according to fresh data from CoinShares published by analyst James Butterfill on July 25th. This figure puts XRP's exchange-traded product, ETP, inflows almost on the same level as Ethereum and Solana, making it one of the largest institutional magnets right now. And here's the key point. This surge comes as Bitcoin is experiencing massive outflows, $174.68 million to be exact, making BTC the biggest loser in this rotation. Large funds are not just casually shifting money. The combined inflows to altcoins like XRP, Solana, and Ethereum already exceed $1.5 billion in the same period. This suggests that institutional capital is deliberately rotating away from Bitcoin into alternative assets. What makes this significant is that institutional inflows often signal where big players see future potential. When XRP is pulling nearly the same level of new money as Ethereum, a far larger ecosystem, it raises the question, what do these institutions see in XRP right now? Interestingly, despite these record inflows, XRP's price remains relatively flat at around $3.13, down from its recent high of $3.39. This decline began on July 23rd and has yet to show a strong reversal. But as the report itself notes, that is exactly where smart money often step in, when prices are flat or falling, not soaring. In other words, the absence of immediate price action might actually be the exact reason institutions are entering now. Historically, the biggest gains often start from moments of market quiet, not from euphoric rallies. The altcoin season index by CoinMarketCap has jumped from 38 last week to 43 today, its highest level in a month. While this is still far below the 75 mark that officially signals a full alt season, it shows that Bitcoin dominance is weakening and capital is gradually spreading to alternative cryptocurrencies. And it's not just about short-term hype. There's now over $2.35 billion sitting in XRP investment products, and that number is climbing. These inflows aren't usually from retail traders chasing quick gains. They're from institutions positioning for what they believe could be a longer-term trend. If institutional money keeps flowing in, XRP could be setting up for a stronger market presence over the next few weeks or months. But here's the critical part. Large inflows do not always translate to instant price jumps. Sometimes these positions are accumulated quietly, waiting for catalysts like regulatory clarity, ETF approvals, or broader market sentiment shifts. This also raises an important question. Are retail traders underestimating XRP right now? While many may be focused on coins showing quick upward moves, the quieter accumulation phases are often where bigger players build positions that shape the next trend. We're seeing $155 million move into XRP in a single week, while Bitcoin is losing $174 million. And this is not just a random fluctuation. It's part of a broader shift. Institutions are signaling interest in altcoins, and XRP is clearly at the center of that attention. The question now is whether these inflows will soon translate into price action or if they're building a foundation for something larger down the road. Is this the first real sign of alt season? And could XRP be one of its leaders?